Hey Travel Buds, this is Dave John. I'm back and today pupunta tayo sa BGC sa Taguig para mag-apply ng Korean visa. Tara guys, samahan nyo ako. So bali guys, ang gagawin natin, mag-walk-in lang tayo sa KVAC or Korean Visa Application Center without appointment needed. So guys, before you go there, you need to prepare all the requirements and the application form for your application. You can go to overseas.mofa.go.kr for an updated list of requirements and para ma-download nyo rin yung application form. Para hassle-free guys, ay lalagay ko na lang yung mga links sa description ng vlog na to. An important reminder guys, bawal nga pala ang handwritten sa application form, so you have to download the file at i-edit nyo na lang sa computer. So ayan guys, this is the requirement that I prepared. Number 1 is the application form. Again guys, dapat kumpleto yung information at walang erasure. Again, it should be typewritten. Handwritten application form will not be accepted by KVAC. Number 2 is passport size pic. Magpa-picture na lang kayo guys sa any photo studio or sa Tronix. Sabihin nyo lang gagamitin nyo sa Korean visa application. There should be a template already for that. Number 3 is yung original passport, and number 4 is a photocopy of your passport bio page. Number 5 is the original and photocopy of visa and arrival stamps to OECD countries. Guys, you can Google na lang for the complete list of the OECD countries, but that includes USA, Japan, and other European countries. Number 6 is a copy of ERC or IBP card if applicable. If you are employed, you have to prepare your COE or Certificate of Employment. That should include your name, the date hired, compensation, office address, and your HR landline number for their verification. If you are a business owner, palitan nyo lang yung number 7 guys ng business permit or mayor's permit and yung DTI nyo. Number 8 is the original personal bank certificate. This must include your account name, account number, account time, current balance, account opening date, and yung 6 months average daily balance nyo guys. Importante yan. Number 9 is yung original or certified true copy of your bank statement for the last 3 months. Last but not the least, your ITR or your income tax return. Regardless if you are employed or a business owner, you have to prepare your ITR. Again guys, lalagay ko na lang yung links sa description para ma-access nyo siya anytime you need it. At ayan guys, we finally arrived at Brittany Hotel. Katabi lang siya ng SM Aura. So this is where the KVAC is located. Kung may dala kayong sasakyan guys, pwede kayong mag-park sa basement ng Brittany Hotel mismo. Or pwede rin naman kayo mag-park sa SM Aura. Malaki naman yung parking nila. So dumating kami guys dito ng 9:30 AM. But they are open 9 AM to 5 PM daily. Pwede kayong pumunta ng mas maaga at may waiting area naman sila. Pagpasok nyo guys sa hotel, sasalubungin kayo ng guard at kailangan nyo humingi ng queue number. Then you will be asked to proceed to second floor sa waiting area. So ayan guys, this is the second floor. Marami naman siyang tables and chairs dito na pwede kayong tambayan habang nag-aantay. Very cozy at malamig naman dito sa waiting area, so hindi kayo papawisan habang nag-aantay ng call time. Meron din ditong mini pantry, so kung nagugutom kayo or hindi kayo nagbe-breakfast dahil nagmadali kayo sa pagpunta dito, ayan, pwede kayong kumain, mag-breakfast. Depending on your queue number, you will be called by batch. So mas maaga, mas mababa yung number nyo at mas maaga kayong makakapunta sa 9th floor. So ayan yung pila for the first step, which is the requirement verification. If you are applying for a group, isa lang yung kailangang umakyat para magpasa ng application. So ayan guys, nandito na talaga tayo sa KVAC. We are waiting for our turn para ma-verify nila yung requirements nila. So i-check muna nila lahat ng requirements nyo kung kumpleto bago nila kayo pa-proceed sa next step. After the initial screening, and if your requirements are all complete, then you will be given another queue number. Ayan, basta ma-verify lang naman nila yung requirements nila, makakapasok ka na, and then just wait for your queue number to be called. Guys, kung wala pala kayong dalang application form, may computer dito, so pwede kayong mag-fill out. Ayan, ayun siya sa left side. ayan na, nag-aabang na tayo para tawagin yung number natin. Medyo nakakakabang. Ganda dito sa Quebec guys. Super lamig. Parang weather na sa Korea, char. Once your number is called, you will have to proceed to 10th floor and just go to your designated counter guys. So after ma-verify yung requirements mo ng council, you will just have to pay 900 pesos for the processing fee, at kung gusto mo namang ipaship sa bahay mo yung passport mo, magbayad ka lang ng 300 to 400 pesos. At ayan, at exactly 10:30 AM natapos na ako guys. So it took me like an hour for this application. So KBAC will text you after 5 to 7 days if your passport is ready for pickup or delivery. Guys, pwede nyo palang i-check yung application status nyo by going to www.visa.go.kr. So you can do this after a few days kung gusto nyo nang malaman yung result ng application nyo. Lalagay ko na lang din yung link sa description guys para mapuntahan nyo siya at ma-check nyo yung status after your visa application. So after a few days guys, nag-check ulit ako at ayan. Aray ko bes, mas masakit pa sa breakup, char. Guys, unfortunately guys, I was denied for a Korean visa. Pero seryoso lang talaga, masakit talaga kasi syempre gustong-gusto natin pumunta sa Korea. Pero wala ganun talaga, hindi natin makukuha lahat in one try. Pero very confusing lang talaga yung reason kung bakit na deny yung visa ko, kasi as per them, my purpose of entry has not been explained in detail. Sa application form naman kasi nilagay ko yung purpose of visit doon, which is to be a tourist. Gumawa rin ako ng itinerary for my trip, so I thought it is enough na para maintindihan nila na gusto ko lang mamasyal sa Korea. Siguro dapat gumawa ako ng cover letter para mas mahaba yung explanation ko about my plans. But I'm really not sure kung yun ba talaga yung reason. So I'm not really an expert. Kumpleto naman yung requirements ko. I thought I fill out the application form correctly. Tapos pumasa rin ako sa visa application ko sa Japan. So same lang din naman yung ginawa ko. Same documents yung pinasa ko. But unfortunately, I got a different result. So ayun nga, denied na tayo sa Korean visa. Pero okay lang yan, it's not the end of the world. So we can reapply after 6 months naman. Kahit bumagsak ako sa application ko guys, this doesn't mean that you will be denied too. So I hope that you continue with your application, and I'm really hoping for the best. Sana pumasa kayo guys. Magkikita rin tayo sa final sa Korea guys, and I really hope to see you there soon. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. If you find this vlog helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you'll get notified guys when we have a new vlog. Thank you so much for watching guys. Travel safe. This is Dave. Peace out.